2020 Chevy Malibu 2.0 turbo. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 77. Way too quiet. So we're gonna do a muffler delete and we're gonna dual it out. Right now it's just single exhaust. As you guys can see, look, it's single only. So we're gonna take that off and put duals on it. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you hear it out. All right, guys, 2020 Chevy Malibu. We let you guys hear what it sounded like before. All murdered out. This is what we've done on it. So it's got a factory converter. It's a turbo, 2.0 turbo. Factory converter up there, then factory resonator there. Then 2.25 continues. Then we did a rear muffler delete. Usually it comes with a single right there on this side. We took it off and ran duals with a custom white pipe, as you guys can see. Custom white pipe, out the back, we make them in-house into duals. There and there. Check it out, guys. And we even had to cut the bumper to make it fit for them. So it came out really clean. There it is, duals on the Chevy Malibu. Because you know what? Why not? It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. Right there and right there. So any projects you guys got, bring them on in, man. We'll hook you guys up if we can. There it is, duals on the Malibu. And there's this factory muffler that was on it that we took off right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Chevy Malibu muffler delete with dual conversion. Turbo takes a lot of the sound away, guys. Remember that. Still got a nice deep tone to it now. Here's sound decibels. Sounds good. Yeah. Right at 86. That sounds clean. Again. People can be jealous of the Malibu community. Clean look to it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's perfect. It's good sounding Malibu.